Okay, so we know that the universe and galaxies are very huge, mysterious, and very intriguing if you know where to look. But what if somebody could somehow rationalize it in a way that we could understand just how big it really was? And hopefully with this video I can sort of lay it out for you just a little bit. Because I myself wanted to make this video at some point. So anyways, we know that the Milky Way galaxy as of right now is roughly 1.9 million light years. That is 5.88 trillion miles per light year. And basically what you get right here is what this would be if you multiplied. Now, this is a 20-digit number, by the way. I counted. There's 15 zeros, and then there's 5 other numbers after it. But basically, you would take this, multiply that, and then you get this. Now, what does all this mean? Well, okay, so 1 light year is 63,241.077 astronomical units. Now, 1 astronomical unit is the distance from the sun to the earth, which is roughly 93 million miles. And I scribbled over this, but this is 1 mile is 5,240 feet. So that's just some basic units of measurement right there. But anyways, so what if, now here's where it kind of gets a little interesting. Assuming that light travels, like all light travels at the same velocity, I don't know if you want to say that every star is different. Like some stars, yes, they move faster. Like, I mean, take for example, like a neutron star, for example. You know, they go really fast compared to like because it's the core collapses, for example. Or you might have like a red giant, for example, or something. You know, just like different classifications. I don't know if all light particles from all stars travel the same. That's something I've been trying to figure out for a long time. But I've always been under the impression that light travels at 300,000 kilometers, or roughly 186,000 miles? Or however many miles it is. I don't know off the top of my head. But anyways, but this is what we know so far, though. So I took our galaxy, or our solar system, and that our galaxy's solar system is roughly 122 astronomical units, which you just take 93 million miles times that, and then you would get this. That's 11,346,000,000 miles. And so you take this number, you would divide this again by that miles, and basically you would get, this would be 984,664,198.837. And so what that means is this is how many times, this number that's circled right here, would be how many times our galaxy right here, or our solar system, would go into the total size of a galaxy that's 1.9 million light years in diameter. So again, this is how many times it would. So that should kind of get you thinking that if you wanted to travel from one edge, you know, just going in a straight line, that's how many miles, if this, according to this, if this is correct, and the size of this is correct, how big this galaxy would be compared to the size of our solar system compared to the